Hello everybody. We want to talk about why and when a message between a PySpark and SQL in Databricks project. In this tutorial, we will cover the reasons for switching between PySpark and SQL in Databricks projects using a real-world dataset and explaining the scenarios in detail. Let's define the dataset first, and then we will break down the reasons and code for each one. We will use a sales transactions dataset, which contains the following columns. First, transaction ID, unique identifier for each transaction, and product ID, identifier for the product sold, and quantity sold, that means the number of items sold, and unit price, the price of unit of the product, date of transaction, and finally the region where the sale took place. This dataset can simulate a real-world e-commerce or retail sales data, which is commonly used in data engineering projects. Okay, and now I wanna end this step. I wanna create a Spark data frame from the list. First of all, I import necessary libraries. And now create a Spark data frame. And next step, I define temp view for using it with SQL Server. Sorry, SQL. Okay. In Databricks project, you often have two choice between PySpark and SQL for data processing. But how do you know when to switch from one to the other? Let's explore the different reasons behind just performance, such as complexity of transformation, familiarity of team members, debugging ease, and more. We will also look at some real scenarios and examples using a sale transaction dataset. First reason. Okay, complexity of transformation. What's our scenario? You want to get the total sales quantity multiply in a unit price for each product in each region. Switch to SQL. In this query, I select product ID region and define a computed column based on this formula, and I use group by for grouping data set based on the product ID in region, and order the order columns. Total steps as a computed column based on descent. Okay. And SQL is perfect here for a straightforward aggregation. This query is simple and it's easy to understand. It's ideal for a task like summing up sales per product or filtering for specific dates. And second reason will be familiarity and skill level of team members. Universally known and easy to read, SQL, making it easier for non-technical team members like business analysts to work with. And what is our scenario? Suppose your team consists of the both data engineers and business analysts. A SQL query would be easier for analysts to understand. This query is easy for anyone with a basic database knowledge to understand and modify, which is key reasons why SQL is often preferred for quick data analysis and reporting. Here, we used where condition for written records that there are north region in them. And I use sum function for summing up this formula. Okay, and third reason is the debugging and testing. SQL easier to debug for straightforward queries because the logic is self-contained, is one block. And what's our scenario? Debugging is debugging a simple issue where the total sales for each product in a region are not shown as expected. Okay, here we can directly see how the sales are calculated. If there is any issue, it will be easy to pinpoint in this simple query. Okay, and next reason. Okay. PySpark offers seamless integration with the pipeline libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and machine learning libraries, making it ideal for advanced analytics. What is our scenario? You want to calculate the correlation between quantity sold and unit price using Python's NumPy library for further analysis. First of all, I import necessary libraries that we need it. Okay, first of all, I import Pandas and NumPy libraries, and now I wanna convert PySpark data frame to Pandas for advanced analysis. And now I want to calculate correlation between quantity sold and unit price. Okay, you can see the result. It's correlation between quantity sold and unit price. In this case, we switch to PySpark and then convert the data frame to Pandas to perform a more advanced statistical analysis. This is something SQL isn't built for. as it doesn't directly support Python libraries. Okay, and next reason. Okay, data exploration and prototyping speed. SQL quick for rapid prototyping and testing simple queries and scenario. You are exploring the data to find which product have the highest sales in the past week. Oh, switch to SQL. Okay. I will write down a query, select product, and some glop a formula, quantity sold multiplying unit price. It's a completed column as a total sales, and here I define a condition where for a range of date, and here I grouping by product ID and ordering total sales, and finally I get the first five records. With the SQL, it's easy to get quick insight and answer ad hoc queries. Which products sold the most last week? You can rapidly test hypotheses without needing to write complex code. Okay, and seventh reason. Oh, sorry, six reasons. PySpark is better for more complex ETL workflow, including iterative transformations and streaming data and scenario. Suppose you are building a data pipeline that cleanses and aggregates the sales data while performing some iterative transformation. Okay, first of all, I import PySpark SQL libraries. I now write down an example of a iterative transformation in PySpark. And now I wanna extend our example to more complex transformation, like a filtering based on a rolling window or applying machine learning. Okay. I define, first of all, I defined a new column with the total sales name, and with this formula, quantity sold multiply unit price. Okay, and then I defined filter for getted records greater than 100, and here I show the result set. In PySpark we have the flexibility to apply more complex iterative transformation. For example, if you wanted to create a rolling average or perform advanced machine learning transformation, PySpark is a better fit than SQL in this situation. In summary, both PySpark and SQL have their strength and weakness. Use SQL for simple, fast, and familiar queries that need quick prototyping and is of debugging. And on the other hand, PySpark should be your go-to when you need advanced transformation, integration with the Python libraries, or when dealing with the complex pipelines or machine learning tasks. Interesting, when you switch with the PySpark and SQL will be help you choose the right tool for the job, optimizing boost performance and maintainability of your Databricks projects. Thanks for your watching.